we're going to be talking about how to make people like you and become your friends very fast. How to make people like you and become your friends very fast. Now, I found that a lot of people complain that they don't have friends, nobody likes them, nobody's interested in coming close to them, that everybody hates them. They complain. And yet there are people who they don't lack for friends. Everybody wants to come around them. Everybody wants to be their friends. So if you are among the people that find it hard to make friends, that people don't easily come around you, you struggle to make friends, then this video is for you. Or you want to have more friends, this video is for you. You want people to like you very fast, this video is for you. Now let's go. I'm going to mention 10 points, 10 things you can do so that people will like you and then they can be your friends very, very fast. Number one is this: be approachable. You want to have friends, you want people to like you, be approachable. Make yourself approachable that people can come to you. And how do you do it? Smile. Put a smile on your face. There is nothing that attracts people to like smiles. When you smile, it's a welcoming, it welcomes people. But when you always frown in your face, you always squeeze your face as if you are the only one suffering in this world, as if you are the only one having problems, people will be scared of coming close to you. They'll be scared. Nobody knows whether when he's happy, when he's not happy. You always frown, squeeze your face. People will not come. I found out that this is one of the secrets that make people like to come around, because when you come to me, I smile. When I meet people, I'm only smiling. Now, when people meet me and I'm not smiling, they say that something is actually wrong, because I'm always smiling. Smiling is what will make people come close to you. When you squeeze your face, people will be scared of you. They will run away from you. That's number one. Number two, be jovial. What do I say? Be jovial. Jovial has to do with be funny. When people come around you, let it be fun to come around you, entertaining. You can crack jokes. You can just be funny, be jovial. Be fun to be with. Don't be boring. Do you know that those who are funny, they don't lack for friends? If you are funny, people will like to come around you. People that are funny, everybody wants to come around them. Check them. Anybody you see that is funny, people like coming around them, because when you come around them, they make you feel good, they make you laugh, they entertain you. Be entertaining. I do it. When people come around me, I like to say something that will make them to laugh. Be funny. Try and be. I'm not saying you should be cracking stupid jokes, but at least find a way to be jovial, be funny. That's number two. Number three is compliment people. Compliment people. Number three is what? Compliment people. Be this kind of person that finds something good to say about somebody. Be complimenting people. Oh, I like your shirt. Your shirt is nice. I like your shoe. Wow. I like your hair. Oh, you are looking good today. Oh, you are deep. Learn to compliment. It will make people like you. Make people feel good about themselves. You get what I'm saying? Be sincere. I do it. You see people, you say, wow, I like the way you're looking. I like the way you're. The other day I made my boss in where I work very, very happy. He came to work with very nice haircut. So I told him, I say, good morning, sir. Sir, you are looking so handsome. This your hairstyle is so handsome. It's so fine, so beautiful. The man was like, wow, I never knew that you are funny like this. The man was so happy. You compliment people. It will not take anything from you. Learn to compliment people. Tell somebody, brother, hey, hello. John, you're looking good, you're looking fine, you're looking, Cynthia, you're looking fine. It will not take anything from you. That's number 3. Number 4 is correct people, but do not be judgmental. Correct people, but don't be judgmental. That is, if somebody does something wrong and you need to correct, don't be judgmental. Correct people with love. Correct people. I've seen people, they talk because they are correcting somebody, they will finish you. The way they will finish you, they will abuse you. They will humiliate you, embarrass you, finish you. Somebody, and because of that, they have enemies everywhere. And they say, I say the truth. I like to tell people the truth too. And that's why people don't like me. The reason why people don't like you is not because you say the truth. It's because you don't know how to say it. Say truth with love. There is a way you will tell somebody the truth, the person will like you. And there's a way you will tell somebody the truth, the person will hate you. One of the things I do, if I'm trying to correct people, I will first of all start with what they are doing well. Start with what the person has done well. Okay, start with, Mr. John, look at, you did this one well, you did this one well. Compliment them, maybe their shoe. Wow, Mr. John, I like your shoe, I like your shirt and everything about you. This and about, you see this one, see this area, you didn't do it very well. Your tone, the tone, how do you say it? How do you call people? Are you saying it from a point of you want to help them to make amends, to change, or you are talking to them out of anger, out of hatred? And look at you, you say you are this, look at what you have done, rubbish, you have done this, look at, no. When you talk to correct people, correct them with humility, in love. That is number 4. Then number 5 is be a listener. What do I say? Be a listener. When you are conversing with people, be a listener. Don't be the one talking. You are the one talking and talking and talking and talking and talking. You are the one saying everything. You say everything. Be a listener. Give people a chance to talk. When you say your own, allow them to speak. Don't be the one speaking all the time. Don't be the one saying everything. You are the one saying everything. Listen to people. Let people say their mind. Allow people to talk. Then you talk. Finish. Don't cut them. Let them speak. I know you want to say something, but give people room to speak, to air their views. That is number 6. Number 7 is this: be knowledgeable. Do you want people to like you? Do you want people to be coming around you? Do you want to have friends? Have something on your head. Be knowledgeable. Listen, nobody likes a person who is ignorant of everything. You don't know anything. Nobody comes around you. Know a little about everything. Be knowledgeable. Have something in your head. Be knowledgeable. When you are brilliant, when you are intelligent, when you are loaded with information, people will come around you. Intelligent students don't lack for friends. You see those students that are very intelligent, people like coming to them. Teach me this one, teach me that one, teach me this one, teach me that one. But when you don't know anything, people will run away from you. Be knowledgeable. Get information. You want people to like you? Be somebody that is smart. You know things. You read, you listen, get information, search out knowledge. That's number 7. Then number 8 is keep secret. Keep secret. Keep secret. Keep secret. Learn to be somebody that keeps secret. Keep secret. Don't be this person that you know when somebody tells you something, it has spread. It will spread to the whole universe. You are a radio, you are television. When somebody tells you something, it has gone viral. You can't keep secret. Nobody will come around you. Keep secret. That's one thing I do. I keep secret. If you tell me something, it is hard for people to hear it. In fact, I will tell you, this thing you are telling me, if anybody hears it, you told them. keep secret. Learn to keep secret. Learn to keep secret. Learn to keep secret. Don't be a parrot. Don't be a talkative. Keep secret. When people know they can trust you with a secret, they will come around you to share things with you. But when people know that anything they tell you, people will hear it. Nobody will come close to you. They will avoid you. Say this one I better go. This one where mouth now leaking. The mouth they leak. They will not come around you. Then number 9 is be selfless. You want people to love you, to like you, to come close to you. Be selfless. Don't be self-centered. And let me tell you something. I think this is number 1. Be selfless. When you are genuinely concerned about people, you are genuinely interested in people, you want people that comes around you to succeed. You are not only interested in what you will get from people, they will love you. You know, there are a lot of people who are so self-centered. They're only with you when they want something from you. The moment they get what they want from you, they disappear. They're only interested in what they will get from people. They are not interested in what they will give. No impact, parasitic relationship. Your relationship with people should be symbiotic. You are gaining from them, they are gaining from you. Don't be a self-centered person. You're only interested in what you are going to get. Me, I, me, myself. Let it be that when somebody comes to you, there is something the person is gaining from you. There is something the person is gaining. I'm going to add again, be selfless and also be impactful. Be impactful. Let it be that somebody is gaining something from you. When they come around you, their life is not the same. You are adding value. You are adding value to people. Be impactful. Okay, let me call it number 10. Be impactful. Be impactful. Add value to people. Don't just let people, when they come around you, let it be that there is something they are gaining from you. This is number 10. Be impactful. Be impactful. When people come around you, let them gain something from you. Let it be that there is something that when a person comes to you, you are adding. He's better than the way he was when he came to you. Let it be that when people come around you, their life is not the same. Let it not be that when people come around you and nothing is adding, no value, no difference. You are the way they were before they came, is the way they are as they left you. No. Add value, add value, add value, add value, add value, add value. Make impact, make a difference. Let somebody's life be better. Meeting you should make a person's life better. Meeting you should make a person's life better. Contribute, impact, make a difference. So, I've given you the 10 things you can do to make people like you and be your friends easily. Please put this thing to work. Everybody needs friends. You need people. You need friends. You cannot do it alone. 2 are better than 1. It's better that you have people around you than you are a loner. Nobody likes you. You can put it to work. These things I've mentioned are things that you should do. I'm encouraging you. Go over the point over and over again and make some adjustments in your life. Make some adjustments, some corrections. If you do what you are supposed to do, people will like you. Nothing like nobody likes me. So I've given you the 10 points, and I want you to see your relationship improve. I want to see your relationship get better. That is the essence of this video, to make people have better relationship with people, better relationships, profitable relationship. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. I'm so happy. We post this kind of video every week. Motivational videos, inspirational videos. That's what we release in this channel every week. So please subscribe to this channel so that whenever I post a new video, you will not miss it. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Bye. Bye. Bye.